Hey, what's up? This is K is for Photoshop manipulation. Let's start the project. The project I want to start by these materials or combining these photos to make photo manipulation. This is the photography in the studio, and this is the window, and this is under ocean. Okay, open your main photo, select subject. This is our subject, and right click, set the feather 1, then copy, open your window photo. Which one is good? Better?
As yours, teacher.
How about this or this? How about this? Open. Oh, this is very low resolution. Open another one. This is good. Press Ctrl V for pass and Ctrl T, scale down. Press Alt, mouse click, scale down. There is some problem for selection the photo. Select your quick selection and select the chair like this, and press Alt for non-selection places. Then right click feather is 1, and press copy. Press Ctrl V, Ctrl T, press Alt, move the photo into center screen. Press apply. Okay, there is a little bit problem. This is a table, and select, press copy or Control plus J. I made it the floor. Turn on the layer again, and then select the windows like this. Okay, how we can select all of them? Select the second combine of selection, and select the second part of window, third, fourth. This is enough. Okay, and now double click on background layer for unlock, and press Ctrl Shift plus N for creating new layer, and down the new layer and select the window layer again. Press delete on keyboard. Okay, move the ocean. Which one is better? How about this?
Down.
This one? How about this? Press open and move the photo in your main project, and Ctrl T, zoom out, scale down, press apply, and move this photo under ocean photo. Okay, and now time to drop this one. Okay, Control plus O. How about this? Select the whale and zoom in select the details and press Alt for deselect and select all of them. Press Alt for unselect. Okay, then right click, feather to, okay, copy, paste there. Good. Okay, close the other photos, close all of them. Wait out your main window, press Ctrl O for opening another one, double click. Okay, select your polygonal line, backspace for delete the line point. Right click, feather 5, copy, paste, Ctrl T, down. Okay, then press apply. Turn off all of these layers and select your eraser tool to erase all around the watercolor like this. Okay, turn on, zoom out, press Ctrl O for moving the another one. How about this? Select again, scale up the size of your cursor, your selection cursor, and select complete body of whale, and press Alt for deselect the other places. Press right click, make feather 1, and then press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl V, Ctrl T. Press apply. Okay, time to create ocean fog. How you create the fog? Press Ctrl Shift plus N. This is fog. Okay, and press the brush and Alt click, right click, select your normal brush. This is the fog, and down the opacity rate like this. Which one is near of window? Erase the fog in front of that whale. This one is near. This one is too near. If you need add fog, control your opacity percentage, again draw. Okay, time to move some tables. Which table is this? Table is good. Okay, select all of this table. Ctrl C for copy, paste again. Okay, now there is no problem in selection of table. Okay, time to color correction, controlling brightness, contrast. select the window. Where is the window? This is window, and go to image, little bit dark, press OK. Then select the table, this is table, and change the HE saturation. Little bit dark, press OK, and then select the character HE saturation, press OK. Okay, there is about ocean details. Select all of them and then right click, merge layers, and then go to image, HE saturation, press OK. Okay, time to create a dark matter. Control Shift plus N, it means shadow, and then select your brush, brush the dark, like this. Okay, select your eraser and change the size of eraser in one click, or you can select the elliptical, draw there, right click, change the fader 25, delete, or you can change the fader in 225, delete. Control D for deselect, and now go to image, adjustment. This is color lookup. This is presets of the colors. Down the arrow keys, cancel again, select all of them, right click, merge layers, and go back, color lookup, down the arrow key. How is this? Press OK, then Control M, or go to image and select curves, press OK. There is some problem about reflection the face of character in mirror. Let me see, is there any photo of the character to move the face in window? This is good. Select right click, copy, go back to desktop and materials, paste. Okay, select, and by selecting the face, change the cursor. Okay, there is no problem, and deselect the background, right click, fader 3, copy, paste, Control T, Alt, down the scale of photo, right click, horizontal, move the photo there, press apply, and then turn off the photo. If you do not turn off, down the opacity, select your main layer and select the window, select your layer 1, delete. just once again select this place of photo for deleting, Ctrl E. Okay. Okay, this is the final photo of Photoshop manipulation. Thank you for watching. Good luck. See you next time.